Welcome back, everybody. Today's video is going to be a shout out to Matthew. Keep that orange team strong, buddy, and keep getting strong this summer. We're going to do a little ride along with me today. I've got a system. People called me out and their compressor's not working. They wanted to replace the outdoor system, so that's what we're going to do today. Let's go. Okay, we are pulling the refrigerant out of the system through the hose, through the gauge, into a recovery machine, which then pushes it into this recovery cylinder so that we can be environmentally friendly. We don't want any of these gases getting into the atmosphere. Alright, the next step in our process was picking up the new equipment. You see in the bed of the truck, American Pride. We're gonna go put in some new stuff. Gotta stop for lunch. My favorite, jalapeno and pineapple. And then this is hamburger and onion. Time to eat. Alright, I got the new pad for the unit to sit on, and the whip, and the new unit. Had to solder up the lines. I'm about to insulate that suction line, and just pulling a vacuum, making sure it's airtight, and then we'll be ready to charge it up. Here's the finished product. I forgot to take a shot, so I had to come back, but looks pretty good. Customer's happy. It's running nice and cool. Job well done. Time to go home. Couple thoughts for the end of the day. It's hot out there. You know, I believe that there are people that are willing to pay to get a job done right, and today took a little longer than normal because of a factory defect. One of the parts that I had bought was just defective. It took me a while to narrow it down, but once I did, I got it working right. I could have easily left it just the way it was, but you know, that's just not good business. If you're going to do something, do it right, and that's what I'm all about. So I know a lot of my kids are in strength and conditioning camp. I saw that Gavin dropped me a comment on the last video, so started talking about Matthew. But hey, Orange Team stepping up. Gavin, what's up, my man? Hope you're working hard, getting better every day. I'll post another video soon. See ya.